What's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to watch Netflix on your PS5. Now, you already know that your PS5 can double up as a home entertainment unit, and you can install apps there and use Netflix, Spotify, and all that stuff. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get to watch Netflix on your PS5. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, make sure your PS5 is connected to the internet. And with that done, from the home screen, make sure you go to Media. So you can see the two main sections of the PS5, the Game section and the Media section. So you want to go to Media, and this is where you get all the media, you get all the apps, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, everything is here. So you want to go ahead and look for Netflix. Usually it's going to be among the featured apps. If you can't find it on the featured apps, there's a search feature right here in the upper right side. So go there and search for Netflix. Should be there even before you finish typing. So select that and download the Netflix application to your PS5. And it's going to be added to downloads and it will start downloading. So you want to wait for that. And once it's done, it's going to let you know. So now you can go back to the media section and you should see the Netflix app right there. Now every app installed is going to be lined up in this media section, just like the games are in this games section. So launch Netflix by selecting it. So with Netflix launched, you can go ahead and sign up by selecting join now if you don't have a Netflix account. If you already have a Netflix account, simply go to sign in and then sign in to that Netflix account. So I'm just gonna quickly sign into mine and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you enter your correct login details, you'll be signed into your account, select your profile, and it's the same old Netflix, and you can now start streaming anything you want on Netflix. And I'm using my PS5 controller to navigate around Netflix and change things, but of course this has some limitations unless you want to get yourself the PS5 remote control. You can watch my video on the PS5 remote control, I'll link it down in the description below. But as far as getting Netflix and watching Netflix on your PS5, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.